Hi, I'm Dr. Kinchlow. Thank you for joining me today for a mind brain exercise. Today, we're going to do a motif memory drill. This drill is going to strengthen both hemispheres of the brain. It also is going to focus on the prefrontal cortex. That area helps to organize motor skills such as handwriting, critical thinking, speech, and also to formulate goals. It also does something very special. It can help to calm down ADHD. And when we talk about ADHD, we're talking about the working memory, we're talking about emotional regulations, and also understanding time management as well as quality decisions. So these are the actual motifs that we're going to be working on today. We're going to be tracing them. After we trace them, I'm going to tell you the next step to the level 2 of what we will be doing with this. So all you need to do is grab a marker, and you're actually going to start tracing these symbols. You're going to go from left to right, and I like to go from top to bottom. Once again, we're going from left to right and top to bottom. This is a very relaxing exercise. It also primes the brain, gets you ready to work. So most mornings, I will do one of these exercises just to get my mind awakened and strengthened and ready to focus in, whether I'm going into a school or if I just have some projects that I'm working on at home. You can do these with your loved ones or with your children just to get them ready. It's one of our core exercises that we use. And right now, I'm not interested in speed. I'm just interested in accuracy because this is new to you. Now, if you actually spoke this language, I would have to give you something else. But if it wasn't familiar to you, this would be perfect for you to practice. All right, so I've done the first 2 rows. After that, I would then ask for section 2 of this is that you would now create the same symbols underneath it. It's to challenge your brain and to challenge your skills and to make sure that your eye-hand coordination is intact with what your mind is asking you to do. So I would once again start from left to right. I'm going down, top to bottom, and there you go. Just take your time. It is a relaxing exercise. It is about accuracy, though. We do want accuracy. And the reason why I'm asking that you go from left to right, horizontal, instead of down in the columns, is because eventually you are going to do this by memory. And I don't want you just to go in one direction and make the same symbols. And so that is why we're going this way. I made that top part a little bit too large. So once again, you self-correct. You analyze your work. You look to see, am I keeping on task with what is in front of me? How am I doing? And I'm making sure the work is as neat as possible. I need to tell you, when you're working with a younger student, these can be rather difficult. So we do have levels that are less complex. So that would be just the first part of this exercise. You take your time, you try it, and stimulate your mind. It's very calming, and it's an excellent mental exercise to get both hemispheres stimulated. Have a super day. I appreciate you. Keep practicing.